Okay, so today I'm going to start some history portion, and in this I'm going to start one Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so in that I will discuss some important point like in Indus Valley civilization. First of all, Indus Valley civilization. Yeah. So Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so Indus Valley civilization that was started in 3000 BC 3000 BC. Okay, and that is second half of the third millennium BC. And a form of art is included the sculpture, and seals and pottery, gold jewelry. Okay, terracotta figures. Okay, and other than this, wheel made black painted ware. Geometrical animal design is also there. So first is the black and painted ware, that is the pottery, black painted ware, and geometrical and animal design. So geometrical and animal designs are also, they were using the animal designs in their pottery, and many shapes and sizes in the pottery they used. And bronze casting, one very important thing that is known as the bronze casting technique. This technique in the Harappa, and that is also known the lost wax technique. Okay, in this technique they were using some kind of bronze casting to making some pottery and structures. Other than this, stone statues, they were using stone statues like terracotta, and terracotta images were they were using, and terracotta images, and seals. In seals, basically they were using tiger, elephant, rhinoceros, bull, bison, goat, buffalo, and very important thing, the seal is in the 2 by 2 structure. Seal were engraved with the pictographic, and there was a pictographic script. Pictographic, that was the script, and we all bear a great variety of the motifs and animal, including those of bull, and the most remarkable seal is identified as the Pashupati seal. So, Pashupati seal is the most remarkable seal in this time, and beads and ornaments as a factory, as a beads and ornaments. Okay, and other than this, all, they were using architecture in the Indus Valley civilization. So I'm discussing some architectural structure also. So first structure is known as a great bath. So great bath. Okay, so this great bath is an impressive structure, and that is constructed like 12-meter long, plus 7-meter wide, and 2.5 meter of the deep. Okay, this is the great bar, and there's large open quadrangle with rooms and galleries, and they are connected with rooms also, and large carbide drain is also there. So there's no leakages also, and they were using the gypsum as a material in the great bar for making. Next one is granaries. Granaries is also very important, and most probably the Harappan civilization was near the river Ravi, near the river Ravi in the Pakistan, and there's a transportation is easily with the granaries, and 55-meter granaries was there, and pillared hall of Mohenjo-daro. So one more thing is the pillared hall of the Mohenjo-daro. Okay, so pillared hole of the Mohenjo-daro is also enough evidence to the support the originally 5 pillared. Okay, and there was a gypsum and mud mortar they were using for column. And next one is a dockyard, and at the Lothal and Chanduhado. At the Lothal and Chanduhado, they were using the dockyard, and believe the construction was done engineering taking the account tidal movement, and dockyard was done taking into account highest tidal amplitude of Gulf of Khambat. And trapezoidal structure is also there. So structure is trapezoidal. Okay, this is type of the structure they were using in the dockyard. And after the dockyard, there is a citadel in the Harappa, And this citadel means there is a town planning, and there is a two type of the town. One is the western town and eastern town. So western towns are for the kings, and the feature of the architecture is the city was based on the town planning. So very important thing was there. First is the town planning was there. Second thing was a road was in a right angle. So right angle road was also there. And third was the backed brick. They were using the backed brick. They were using the they were using the backed brick. Okay, backed brick. And one more thing was the most building designed to be functional rather than decorative. So the buildings was functional rather than decorative. So buildings was not decorative, it is functional building. Okay. And Indus Valley civilization is a resilient in nature. It continue and prospers its existing tradition. And it is also similar to the Egypt, Greece, and Mesopotamia and Vedic culture. Egypt, which was the follower of the polytheistic belief and Christianity in the past, now largely embraced the Islam. India, as a other hand, had successfully maintained the continuity in the past. Okay, and the weight and measures they were using for the drainage system. One is the drainage system, and second is the weight and measure. They were using the weight and measures also. Okay, weight and measures, and wheeled block and holy dip is also in the Great Bath of the Harappa. So this all is about the Indus Valley civilization, as I discussed today. Okay, and after Indus Valley civilization, I'm going to discuss something about the Mauryan period. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this lecture, and this was very small lecture, and I thought